that na akosi ayama when you fra. You know, it's not an easy situation to be in, but Yamia do. Wabe do her. And I was saying, won't now hokwa. And then what the amount of the Pecoswa, a preachy, or meeting to. Maybe now we are very active. Sorry, right now we are position there. There is a hint on our survey.
Me my and Melco Penida. My district youth leader. My singles. Just say me Juma did Juma Bebre and then me go so a
branch in any way.
Me walk Lanquanta 9.
Okay.
Bethel Assembly. The Church of Pentecost.
And one lunch. Okay. I see. Madina, someone down.
Madina area. Apostle Sapia. Nidium. Known as say, crammy. Enemy main in them. Wow. Apostle Sapia. One in the year. Mamadora. Ona abua me pam met me ejina me nan so no kwasem sanko wani abrabo ni mu anka ankoyi nti nya me ka kire enipa nyina ne say disability is not inability.
That's right.
So what did them and no kire say wuntimi nya bibia me mami dem die enhye me so me man nso enhye me so because me to we me simia ma me ye aduane me ye bribia bi me pama de atade ehye me nia na me pama
wow
me pama me bibia me hye me na me pama.
That's amazing.
Me na me ye enti me ma disability ana edem die no enhye me so bi say baby o me pese me kobia no kwasa me mayinti se me kasa me konko ade a obeboa me amako me madem die enhye me so enti mitimi ye bribia enena mitie osofu ba ko Sompa FM ha o say wo be san ya ware bio na me say ye me
amen
me san ya ware bio
wow
yes
amen
nya me ya adoma bisa me madem die enhye me so.
That's right.
Sa nye ye no nkire se ntimi nye ye ebetimi ayeye ya mesra brade ni se obema mi obi obeso nwumunyimu ama me me mpa dodo bia me pani ebema me nsa akoma no keke na me nya bia hwe me ma eno na me hwehwe na obeboa me na me nwum to aye dwumadi eno na me hwehwe
so aga mama ye wo panelist ba ko ya oba ha Reverend Ace or ye music treasure also be video amount also be video amount enti unyom no video be and say album mi na honestly dey minimum album mi na opeso yo grow be enti so be video amount why
mama nyami shraw na nyami shra onu chese metiwei debia ni America ni se ya metiwei pa de enye sika dudu obi na me preape enti minyani a obeso nwumni mu ama me kakra eni Janet program bi wa ha be simple ma koye ni kakra bi eno pe enye wiase nyina enti nyami onhira no papa na yebedi nkomo minim se wo hwe die yebedi nkomo because so your sister minim se yebedi nkomo
na me ne hime na ewie wa ye nhira amaye
5FM.
Quite from that. But I can't go to the Ghana in Tunia or Tunia Memo or give Namia some fun YouTube. And mine, Yamima, Etchin Yamima Rare, Etchin Yamima, now you're the Chin Accra, Emma Osro, and Gracie Jamie, Ghana. Me and Fancy, Chimney and Santi, and Cran Cross, so I come. Wow, so I say, Cranica, only say, you only one cry as I say so. And Tigano be Jimmy, and they're all back here. Yeah, Ghana for wow. I see. Na ebia obi wo ho ne wuti area bi e na watu but naughty voice no any familiar nti e hefa no watena you know na say obi kaya on link it ebia matna never say it na be maka mo de me fanya say na mister and na ye betina denta okay denta barrier and you movie be call junction and if free one and betina not Legon. Okay. On top of area. Right. Accra. Maybe a few hours. And this obit here was some potent obit here was area now. On him saying in neighbor on it or that's what we are trying to establish. Okay, so in terms of a story, and he found a call one place I know what's now. Atonyo Mohwa. You chrome hand crying. Baby and I rather to say, be a farmer, so cacra. Yeah, question, 2013, as I said, 13 to 14 years. Hey, and this way that 2013 is only me up to the time I'm a buyer now, so by the way, because we can't our video now, so Mammy, I have a caca. Metia see, I am not more. I do it. Won't cry, I am not more. Metia see, I am not more. Me won't cry, I am not more. San me buy what TV so. Oh, say Angelan crab on it too. San near board TV so papa and say Augustine nyoma. Wow, and then no first album. Okay, and say feel now bad.
We were running up upon tin any munchro. Running to two namo NCA. On fun young tour and shout touch them so. Now Radina coupon and fast city and shower flume. A Radima Mama Sonia Ding and Sinewa Tamfo. A Radina coupon to two namo NCA. A Radima what you dump him. A Radina coupon to Jota found go to baby on one rade. As if we hoa on one shed. So they will call. Shall come to a bravo so. There's a pony in count. No how men to my die or pim beto benkum or pidu beto nifa e bin kan wate wo de wani wa na be hwe no wo de boye for akatua awade ani muti en torso awade nhira en torso awade abaso bo enye wabotre awade nya wo chem awade nya wo katabo awade nya wo tipejafo awade nya wo temgyinafo awade nya wo rechechefo pa na de bia wa hwere awade mfantomo bosumi we mu awade ma onsere wate awade ma wadansidie. Mema, good afternoon. So nim Jumediana Yadu Sono, yes, Sompa delight. Frequency, dear, hey, and Abena was Sompa delight. Na ene Monday, Ejuada, Enshirada, oh, and Kunimdieda. Chese who started Monday no now with this energy ni start. I don't say be do it ya could do Sunday. My enemy. Sa and I hear wish ma wo ene. On the wings of the Messi and I pay on command your morning with me suffer with Dinyamiche professor. Or say, ye command north wind, no, Neddy Shrabre, then ya command east wind, no, Nebu Bunya may be a way I can move ya and your papa, men pie by me bottle of bravo soon. One can say, I'm in man, take come and kiss your pa. And next studio has so I saw. Now me say, ne, concern any so for being a bit. Aye, Menyaka. Any so for being ready concern. Say, Auntie Adwade Bano, that's so for Emma Bay or your backing vocalist. Now, telling me, I'll be nothing. Oh, dear. Oh, the Nidiaba, my mama Kwaba, my svelte lady, and my international producer. Me pass on Facebook, Sompa106.5Fm Accra Caps. Now for her, I was studio her. When you told him said we come to delight you. I am here drum ye ba ni ama weni aje because e was a bibia uma wo kra ni ji uma wo kra ni ji se nyame hu mi wo mu a na wo da na se na uma wo kra ni aje because de bia meka oboto wo kra then na obenya wunya hwe enu nti no tene no who's the weekend in TGM course? Hey, me see a bishop brass so. Ebi sun ta dia ho fama o de ko ho na nya easy obi si obi de te center krabwa. Anyway, na e be di hu nkomo. Enti me kan se concern ye ne ye so for ba ko bi be ka ho enti ni me rope ni in. Prophet Atara. So for my
yeah.
So for yeah, what special way be I welcome it. Yeah, a guest.
Okay.
Maybe test so be to me.
Okay.
Maybe mouse but in for please join me welcome Prophet Atara on Sompa Delight. Pachomo Wakwaba.
Yeah.
Chale. Sompa na person called the Yenya. Who say no sunya bad, just a response. So now the frequency na bo. Yeah. And then yeni wudi juman. Yeni say who jume die bi nti na waba. But yeni wo sha say the yeni wudi juman ti bibi baby ah baby.
Mate.
Enti Sompa the life no boda yonko. Sompa the life.
Sompa the life.
Producer. Rated na me hwade.
1 to 10 and
I 1 to 10.
Oh yeah, PM to you.
It's horrible.
Oh, the obetiaka.
Baby, I say now the same level in Tanka. I was
anyway, my mama now call by Yedera. We can Nicole saying, I believe, say a coye, a busia, bibia. Me exactly they say me that 3 a.m. I'm sorry 5 a.m. ready quite sorry. Some others day Sunday.
yeah.
Because me share you know. TGM. Oh, me share many swadi. Bantonko ai me hu ne ama me hu ntade ehun production ehun bibia anyway yakoye ni
na wie de ehun kasa ne de obo
ehun konkon sanu kura de enye
Freddy Matna ha ne eyi Reverend Nasia na ansa na no John the Baptist e be bokwan sister Adwa John the Baptist no be bokwan ma Freddy Mane Reverend
okay so we always start with the word for the day.
Okay.
And see a word for the day. No, yet share word word back from Monday to Thursday.
Okay.
Internet ne word ni beko. Na word that na me bisa no man kind watershed.
Watershed.
Oh.
Oh, so what kind water nana?
And buy. Wabi.
Madam Fubia sorry do you know?
Watershed.
Watershed
turning point. Turning
point.
Oh, I see. And last Friday, your ball, Thursday, no, Niha, right? In Cobble,
let me chimney bomb me brown.
And a turning point. Okay, so you're going to vocabs corner immediately. Are you ready?
Yes, we are ready.
Bang. Prof.
And then men come there, bang.
And a problem. The lights.
Okay.
Oh, okay.
Sister, serious.
Who's as the CA?
So right.
The female effect. Oh,
Waterloo.
Okay.
Most commonly refers to the 1815 Battle of Waterloo. New plan Bonaparte's final defeats. Or the University of Waterloo in Canada.
Diabo.
na yibi anim.
Now, but so no, now kind of the correct information but Napoleon ne koye new plan. Enti
Man can you cry? No plan the other.
I said, Ben, have your PlayStation, Ben.
I'll repeat myself. I'll read myself.
But
Waterloo most commonly refers to the 1815 Battle of Waterloo, Napoleon Bonaparte's final defeats, or the University of Waterloo in Canada.
Okay.
Known for its innovation and cooperative education, it is also a city in a lower attempt for a crushing final defeat.
Okay. And see, yen kind when yen call send your bay for people who send your bay using it yen kind way. So Waterloo refers to a decisive, final, or crushing defeat. That's what it is. So the idiom to meet one's Waterloo means to experience a significant, often inevitable setback that ends a person's success, career, or winning streak. It's well need to say a turning point on the other side. It's in the synonyms here, downfall, ruinous. Anyway,
Prophet, we are enjoying the anointing.
Hey, Mr. Anointing, the about them is you.
Example say we dey one. The weather. Example say me na.
Bible with you. We say now me say ni Waterloo was when name omuko movie koya ne mani ko wu echo ne so ne ni so ne ma e
wu revelation say be ba no e dey nya.
Anyway, so the word for today is Waterloo. Inti muyu. All right. Enti yenti konkonsa kwa so na spiritual konkonsa na ebeji. Na fe ni so for abon komo. Ai. Sister Ngwe.
Anyway. Yema etifo nyina akwa babium Emma Sompa the light.
Sharp.
Light. Please don't interrupt me. Like, I mean the spirits, don't interrupt. Anyway, and then enkomono dodo na be center on Jumedie kese ayi nyina over the weekend Telecel Ghana Music Awards. Unfortunately, menya program ni bi because na me maso ayehye me paper na past 7 Saturday na pa intimidate anadwo ni nyina na but me baaye no makwa check ahye ne ekoso so me hear update na me dey abeye me concerned, you know. I had to. And Yankasa generally the program no was okay. You share from where TGMA started from Ebedru this time with his organization, stage, craft, amount for near like coordination. Literally, I think it was good.
Point.
Na ekoyen so amount for be bring so Nigeria awards almost one year disappointed one more expect ya one sa kan ye. I mean nyina aka ho na ma program no program. So my mission say free red carpet no.
Okay.
Amount for near me just say red carpet die. One say weekend na ye Ghana die no. Na AMVCA for so omo almost omo die and you could see say event no just baby internet no so baby abefa bia ne ntade ne de o mpese obehu kura behu and class just say amount for fa wo mo ebi kura de brodo funo no nyina akọ ho adio krom ha enti overall no meka say yakoye nimu eba fashion generally ahofama craft ene sane o manu nyina yakoye nimu but ebi mo so de ende na enye not say atare na nipa na hye ne bo enye din anase bebe but sometimes no hye da hu inspiration a etai abroso ya ma na abroso I mean my starting free omo a me feel say anase ye reach omo I feel say omo outfit and it was perfect for the evening yenshe fela makafui I mean top notch yenshe Adwa Noella. Very simple, cute. Like enya yi hu bia Sika Osei, Jackie, PSA Esther, Wendy Shea. Ye betimi abobo ye ba mema nso a kechenom they were neatly dressed near. They won't say mema no de enkomo she da nipo. I mean Kwesi's outfit was good. It was perfect. But there was no need for red tie na. I mean, this was a very nice outfitter. You can't remember fashion sense out to say new koyi. But sa de kokko na wo de born ni minimum na e bi twi e no na free him.
Kokko na bi na ye kuna no de yi kuntina. All protest.
Yeah.
But I mean,
aside sa addition now they can for me it was good. It was good. Yensha the other side and also. Obi am here very disappointed. Ewo me mana fem. Ewo Akabineza. Dr. Likey. I love Likey, but Saturday ni dear.
Yeah.
Doc, maybe I will die, you know. Any inspiration, no minimum the attention, but it was too simple. Like I love Likey, but like what my man says for I mean that's what I can say. It was too simple. Like also bit me simple but still classy. Slippers be near you. Oh, I mean 80 and casual. Hajia for real. I felt like she didn't as will be a impromptu event be near frost. Oh, Charlie, over here for Brandy and Co. No what tamatari no one. Enti like nka Hajia pie me. Yensha Hajia ne fashion sense very good. Or core programs near there was share designers are when we use so money at dear crap and for 80 GM na Hajia she body combi a chese. I'm so no. Wait dear. So aside them kwa de Hajia and Koye, I mean Kim Promise, Raskuku. I didn't really feel the vibe, but yeah, fancy ho nyane akasa kwetri. So that's it for red carpet for no. Yen share event no. Me what time? Bare 5 minutes be on. Okay, nti yen share nanka me be maya share you know. Categories nani winners no, but a dozen.
Yeah, be di hun komo.
Okay.
Abejafo ba.
Right.
To the fa konko.
But all the mamemfa categories na sem no. Yen share overall artist of the year no. Ekoma Black Sheriff. I mean, yen nyina yenim. Oma no more categories ni mu dine no more no mo keka wo nyina. Me sure so bia when favorite. But at the end of the day no, nipa ye de ahenche no share no Black Sheriff. And I think a lot of people are excited for him. Say, waye juma ena wenya, intino, well deserved. Omo ma canon so. The fact say nominations ne kra wenya was a category no. I think say you why juma gospel artists and so dina and also etimi ekoye kama ema at least gospel yes say a man for say ye buafu. Ye just identity na dina enya artist of the year. So I mean a scheme enti na se sa aba no one to be or to be a anka gospel nke de bai
sister dodo na to no so no make asa bebre
one to enti no mo me yemfa de enya ne sa gospel artist of the year mo me yemfa ne sa na yemfa enye enti womo mu wini ye womo e nominate mo yemo obi a congratulations womo ye adwuma and moving forward no ade ba ko a me pese scheme no ombehye eye ombenya a designated center bia because for 26 years and 25 years and over there I think say yakwa nim say ye benya designated center bia beka say award scheme we dia ye betimi aye events no ewo ho. I think say going forward no yen hwe sa ade no na intimi emuanti no
exactly because we say Kenya interventions be a be mo
anka baby e course no
me aye ho ahye pam convention ma say o should dey bed demo no ka mo aka we butitia monya mo ho wanya red carpet kakra place near the money age nti no. Yes, I agree with you.
Yeah,
they need to work on it.
You don't can person me can be ba e bi ana because conversation course Regina has been a host for years. Okay. I mean, enye yinkwa but osha red carpet event I would work so Regina would say nyanya sa gigs no. Enti adwuma no wa ya che onim de wom onim questions I mean onim vibe no, and over the years no bi anya ne ho asem enkada. But you see that question no ko bisa fela makafu it was unnecessary. I mean, obi e yin anim se medical ne fela omu ni hobi mu.
Okay, no.
Why would you ask that?
Oh, wakoboso.
Says there be now ex share went to obe Phyllis. Oh, like how? No. It was off. Crowd.
I mean,
Enti hone die ankoye but you pardon her.
Menyo
Pardon her because it's her first time, ain't but generally no everything was
I enjoyed the show. I did the production and everything. Red carpet na omucha long shot and me who said na baby able to go every near the other nam say Ghana because me share AMVAC there no. Ay chale.
Eh basa bro do you need the serious. One who be one who. I
and the AMVA right?
CA.
Okay. Me the AC number.
E be mo cross say asore dan ni ade. Eh.
But you see, pleasing to the eye, isn't it?
Yeah.
Na say me Ghana de no ball ho na fi ama ye red carpet na bibie wo ho. Because who share who share mu de na say who class. Yeah, but na yes ye downplay and there no. But ye ain't happy a game because now I say let me say
I just were
decided say and then the production was on point to me. Technical H is crazy but normal and acceptable but you be funny sir. And looking at the timing, no send an uncle so moko hana fe in a week yamo bahani I'm sure say planning near
no problems.
We give it to them. In Chatter House or my idea. Yeah. I mean you can see that this is the biggest thing for us music for I in Ghana and it's going well.
Hey, by so sister on 20 book Accra. Steez in a composure na no ding.
I know to be in Ghana.
Hey.
Also, I just love the way I move now. And our performance anyway, like I said, I'll be before by a video. Performance is so nice. In fact, one of my highlights for the night was Andy Dusty.
Okay.
Or Bear Moon in your and I've seen him do such things. But that day I felt like Charlie. Or your bra penny anyway, because I told him I was going to congratulate him on my show.
Okay.
And he that's it, Bebre. And now that's it.
That's it, Bebre.
Baby, that's it,
Bebre. And it's all going.
That's it, Medas Bebre. Amano.
Bye-bye.
Auntie, thank you, Auntie Adra. Thank you for the updates. No, Monsi Prophet Atara.
Before I say yeah, because me matter the one can once because the whole TGMB Modia Musha Mubehu. The whole TGMB.
And your mamma should be some who be
yes. Mammy answer wako. Aye. It's prof. At your father won't candidate. Enti my wabaka sem kakra no more I don't want to identify with you no more tem na yenko.
Me that say
Sompa the like say what body that.
My body that. My body that.
Yeah. What for the so the efe. In fact, before I be question no meaning say wo signature bi ene wo number bia wo Prophet Atara wo be hu say ne dress ne ade nti enyem ngonwa so o kase yenko hwe ne dressing for
me dress just say manko
line na ya
manko red carpet
ene ntia
yes but say me ko red carpet and come over my award wo
ene
because na no odene
black nana
yeah
Oh wow, the material is beautiful.
Wow.
And where dear.
On point. I mean, Prophet Atara on no fashion sense.
No, Asamka.
Hey.
Asama me work say. Mpeyifo se wan kasa otirimu a.
Yeah, you are
funny. Wan kasa ne tirimu a. E be ken baba bi pa. So we aka wan kasa ho a. Aka and commending Atari the quality of the material.
The design. Oh wow.
Thank you.
Hey, oh wow. Everywhere come
on. Dress it. Come on. Dress it. No, because our signature be on the name. Into who know baby who be who say you no ni.
Yeah.
Hey.
So
Oh wow.
we no ye soro no
uhu from no Professor Tara ne dress no de call TGM. Wow.
So onya video ni dia mo be hu ni nyina.
Ene
poma ni nyina.
Oh wow.
Dia ko here prof. Also one call a friend say
red carpet.
And anka be anka chatter house for mo organize for na prof on red carpet answer.
Next year you be ko.
Odifo.
Next year you ko.
Prof ye nin komo tie mo kwa ba biom.
Ye ni
ai unu ba ma be dia ha e na wo se wo ye dwumadie bi e wo se utumi ba be ka ho asem pacho e mo kwa ba fe mayen hu profatara ye ntini ye hu oni o ye wa sorry baby e wo and then ne afa ya tie si dwumadie ni
me da say Prophet Joseph Atara ye founder and leader of Believers Grace Crown Ministry International.
Okay.
Adenta barrier and ye wo. Food bridge ne nche baby a cheesy pizza wo no.
Oh, right.
We were cheesy pizza esro wa.
Okay.
Second floor e ho na asro no e wo yeah. Now for this year na 20 years am I a prophet.
Wow.
And this year na 16 years Nyame farmers so establish a ministry no.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Na nyabuche was it 20 years away prophet?
Yeah.
But me shadante unsembia. Just me shadante wasema esi. I was a prophet for na umuta to tonsemo, umuta to potholes mu. Ube huna bibi ato no na yate den kana asembi no aka bibi na abɔ nkyɛn.
Okay.
Enti nyame shaw. No me ba wabaso.
Me da se. Say me meka bibia eno come page nso a accurate prophecies. Ewo ho. South Africa day. I said it, I think April.
No?
Yes, I said it.
Oh.
Donald Trump there, I said it.
Wow.
Helicopter crash this year. I said it.
I see.
Yeah. Yeah.
Na munya ne sana dem abɔ ho mpae na.
Yeah, ye bɔ ho mpae pa.
Dey na ye be mu no.
Ebi wo ho no mo a sɛ nye mpae bɔ na nkene ebesi ni nye. Ɛna ebi wo ho nso a na nipa no ana mpanifo no ɛwɔ so ana se wuhia na direction bi wo ho na omo feel kra
ti na go for ebinim de two social media de ye de
exactly
I see anyway rather custom found here. I'm still trying to let my listeners know who you are well.
Enti minuanum ye 4 8 and mama 4 ma 4 na me papa me late father no ye founder of Christ Evangelical Church.
Oh, you also for back.
Na oye prophet to founder of CAC.
Oh.
Apostle Enim.
I see.
Yeah, intimacy is muni
Yes. Wow, amazing.
But nuanu no me kra no mo nsusu me se metimi ayesofo.
The stone the builders rejected in the corner became
exactly. And the money nyina mo nsu me na rade abefa mama yodi for.
Oh, yeah, there are just.
Amen.
Wow. Amazing. Amen. Anyway, I know say every year we did you maybe.
Pachoy.
Now this year so basso.
Pachoy.
Boye mukakra. How long have you done this?
Okay.
Music ministry, no, how long have you been in it?
All right. Me da say me rem 4 years ani. November.
And now who did they ministry that's interesting. 4 years.
4 years, yeah.
Oh wow.
November in not just 5 years.
You're kidding me.
Yeah.
Hey, because me who and it just obey one me who.
Yeah.
Because me who nenye obey mu na na.
Yeah.
So I felt that you've been there all the while.
And me so me too na me too nyum obi aso dem da. Me back you obi ada. Nyohu ya ni say maba industry no.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah, and then nyame adom what me establish me sa no.
Wow.
Yeah.
There are because then we shows I mean we program ni pon enye easy we gire wo ye ne quality ni ade
say nyankopon won
sika na bu
say da bi enye sika na bu so I believe in quality.
Exactly.
On say na ate wo wo ofe papa and wo hwe wo so ye so pa nyankopon nwinum wo ye pa enti say wo ye bibia ma nyame a e wo se na nyame ahwe no wanwene wo ye no e wo so hwe so na wo ye ehye awade de ani onyam enti me I believe say wo ye bibia nwo se wo ye ne tro kan wo ye no waye ne ti se na mo aye so mpa ha mi wura ha mani age waye ne kama pa and mobile enche yo ba moji babia yes Sompa ji babia enti won say yes enti won say mo ye ne yie ne enti e ko enti me sade no wo ye ne na e ketua bi kra o so ye na o ye ne yie Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow.
Enti me ba mu 2021 na me release me first single and me feature piece yesterday.
Okay.
Yeah, Oyodo. And 2023 na nyame adom metimi started Atara Praise. Concert nyame nam so de by nti for the past 3 years ni na de Atara Praise share so.
Okay.
Maiden edition no na enye easy but nyame adom Awurade se ne ho ani onyam.
Oyodo now can okay. My auntie Oyodo yen kai single.
Impachwai 20. Yeah. And the next one Believe.
Okay.
Yeah.
Midnight single.
No, me yobi ba azana yes,
Oh,
azana
okay.
Believe by
Okay.
azana increase
Your
aba.
album.
Debbie.
I think now we can
Me be kika bom na.
And that's why I smart too. I smart for 4 years I buy industry ni ma just say ya to nka wo agi baby ah.
Oh sa ho. Me da say.
Na when na wo prophet Atara onim no. Anyway, so
and Awurade adom enem nso mu me ba mu empenifu amudi enem na mo agi me atom. Awurade nsira mo. Awurade nsira mo. Yeah.
Oh, okay. Hey, yeah, the video be actually me. Onye easy. Wow. Just a most you na Sompa na we hefa Facebook ana na me metie phone ko hwebi etie for Mr. Mumunko Facebook Hypes Media that's what I'm saying. Prophet Atara ni page kra wo behu atade na easy. Wow. Anyway, enti me producer na dia be chere me and say me bom nkomo kro o atare na chi obia
me da say
why are they fair beautiful next time patcho brantem na bra red carpet ho na obenya kasa ni no omotumi esua wo ho
mate
anyway nti sisi ano wo singles we put it together in an album but wo annual program no this year baso patcho da ben
baso 24th kwasi da be ni na watch 24th May ya
okay
nti kwasi da be ni na watch
right
na baso wo Bayview Atomic Junction.
Oh, Atomic. Yeah.
Atomic Junction.
Okay. I see.
Run about one opposite Atlantic Mall. No.
Yes.
That's
a ball be wash.
Yes. In Pacho,
nice.
Baso. Yeah. Time near 4 p.m.
4 p.m.
in Pacho.
Okay, all right. And now, now other artists.
Me Pacho, Minuaba Peace Siesta.
Okay.
Also.
Pacho, traditional song of the year.
Yeah, traditional song of the year. Yeah, winner. Peace Siesta. Yeah. And my sister Obapa Christie.
Oh, okay, rock.
Yeah. And Kofi Owusu Pepra.
Hey, male, no, only male vocalist. So yeah, contemporary, urban contemporary winner.
Yeah.
Nice,
and
nice.
Sisi Bedu.
Oh right,
yeah, and Sisi Bedu. Yeah,
amazing.
Yeah.
I now, quality, and that's what I like about what you do.
Thank you.
Quality.
Thank you.
Until 24th May. Our Bayview Hotel. Our Atomic. 4 p.m. sharp. A free event.
Free.
Oh, I see.
Free.
Here tickets.
Dabi.
And so be it now or so baby and one is
exactly
24th May 4 p.m. Bayview Atomic Junction.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
Me
invite Sompa phone
Sompa phone numbers.
Me nim say yeah mami akosu agwaje or around that.
So my producer here now.
Okay, me pese me hunu pa ansa na makọ. Gena me fa ne invitation e ma no. Na me yan wo din. Communication.
Hey, Prophet, what's your whole?
What's up, me tie ni pa o. From the former station, yeah, me tie ni pa.
Full name ye then because
Prof Joseph Atara.
Oh, right.
Joseph Atara.
In Atara na you di ankasa.
Me pacho an.
I see.
Atara, the meaning of Atara is crown.
Oh, so uba nyamisumu na ufa dina.
There be me surname no. Yeah, Atara is in the Bible.
Yeah, so I wanted to be sure.
Me surname no. Enti me nuanom nyina obi ade Atara. Mpacho an.
Wow.
Yeah.
Na mo origin ye hefa. Mufi.
Ye free Koforidua.
But na to Atara.
Ye asiankasa fie mountains. By Koforidua na etna Ekuapem. Yeah, by Koforidua na etna.
That's amazing. That's amazing.
Yeah.
It's Prophet Joseph Atara Ministries.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. And now the Atara not too. So it's interesting how we name no any
program no
extra crown
yeah
we are two
and instead of me and a crown praise and I'm here na Tara praise
na unique na you be into me facade interior yɛda pass over shy or final words go for be better o must say near there with media to ja
me da a host yeah mama superstar the legend
I don't know why
ono ne ye nyina ye mama Abena Ruthy or te egwam. So you're superstar.
Imagine me too.
Yeah, you're superstar because you can't anyuntufo kukuda mo gospel industry ni mo a yentimi nyum film da. Yes, your company for. Nti mo na mabọ kwan na to na ya ba bedi mo atinti. Me da mo ase, me da Sompa106.5 me da asafo me da no Believers Grace Crown Ministry International. Me da mo nyina ase. Me nka se me followers, me ka se family. Omo follow me.
Okay.
Ewo TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, baby a Erade Shira obi bia. And obi bia we play role ewo me life muda Erade Shira no. Na omo gusu play role Erade nkoso wanso Shira wo. Na me catch the Ghana for say this year Atara praise different. And the bia ne Erade ye. Last year Erade fa so after me the administration we no I move into prophetic.
Wow.
Yes, into enye just enyum to keke. Erade ma me yes, as an encounter with God. And in comes any ayaresa be ye adwuma. Nti this year obi otie me bia ohun nipa bia na wankasa o yare wo problem bi wo ha obi a me tonsa fro se bra na oni nyankopon ebenya encounter no wabrabo enye se ne etiada. Ebia obi ba na oyira na opeso ofre obetimi afre 0243 76 96 90.
Okay,
0243 76 96 90. Afi o banso a twerɛ prayer request na fabra na every year bi ayeye last year ayeye no Erade afaso ma bebre tutu kwan onim last year Erade ehye me say mempen kofo mienu na mento machine mom ne enfom hye adwuma mu.
Okay.
Enti ye Emma me donate machines no me dedicate machine no wo program na se a.
Okay.
Emma mo costarte adwuma onim say nsiran kanya me say akora ba kon kan we no ni ha wo abrochire. Yeah, ya be fa no kwa abrochire oye adwuma wo. Enti Atara praise amen. Atara praise ye enye just concert but is an encounter uni nyankopon ebe have na oba wabrabo enye se na etie da biada. Erade nsira on say ewie wagimi atum na odi mi aba. Na say dey ahaye mi fie.
Ahaye mi fie. It's 24th May. You Sunday be.
Ni na watch.
Yeah. And now 4 p.m. or Bayview
Village, yeah.
Atomic Junction, I was opposite Atlantic Mall. 4 p.m. sharp. Near at Nasty. Now, host, I bet me I fire now. Come on,
Ebefa. There be a last year, no. Na a host 20 na year movie. Yeah, last year bridge in the soon na wo church in any more. A whole year malolo cranum nothing go foot bridge in so. And in this year, no. Yeah, movie there, but yes. Amen.
Namisha, it's here for Beba, yes, ye Beba. Biabe, come in, see a bank encounter, Yame, 24th May, 4 p.m. Bayview Village.
And in Bato,
praise.
And Bato, me person can't say where tea for no her phone and I saw Munshia.
Ayo, Nami me call, me do what did I? It is a ma. Miss me quadramin comshe, sir. Internet here for Mr. Atara praise, my shower, or na yen story radifefe, non casangui abrabom.
Amen.
Ye here casarunza.
Amen, sir.
A friend is and comshe, to me the anant.
Sir.
Probably that's it, Papa, Yamin show. I mean, him say a Globus Hub at the corner, oh, yeah, in your mind. Michelle.
Owari enche.
Me aware. Prophet Avisha.
Sciatica no, o nerves ne wo to ase na fa wo siremu, na fa wo nansia besi ase ho no. Se ho teche ma, eno ene ye fa ne sciatica. Na etimi bubu o to ase ka wo se dwe wo sirem, wo je ho ba bia enye. Na eno na 21st clinic ba ye adwuma pa wo mu ye ntia basobo o magye ne wo Ghana ha. Ene amono ne enya asem ketua. Wo mu gi international awards ahodo, wo mu gi local awards ahodo. Na anu nso na wo mu bie the only sciatica research and treatment center in Africa. Bibrim hano ebi ni baby a gi se 21st clinic nkwa. Wo mu die bibiduro ene besa o yare no masa de machine aka ho. Eya yare sabia yare bia wutimi de ko ne mama ade ba ko a wo magye din wo mu pa no. Eye sciatica ena stroke nso de kwa diabetes ne hypertension ne ade. Ghana ha baby a wo mu ho. Enkran ha se ye wo Tantra Hill runabout. Se wo free enkran eba ye wo wonsa ni fa so. Wo fra masaman so na eba nso a wonsa bonkum so. Eho na wo behu ye. Fra 0540 311 311 0540 311 311. Next 21st clinic. Still, woman ye sciatica expert.
Hajia special local foods abakade enye aduane ne aduane o. Ye wo aduane ne ye wo aduane. Enye nwanwa se Ghana ha ahemfo eyi akese wedding akese party akese se wo pe baabi a wo be serve wo ma wo ho. Se ye buffet ene wo mo ye. Se ye local continental dishes a. Wo bi echa nani a. Hajia special local foods e wo hacho atomic kwan no so ho no. De enti e friend local foods ne say enye wo mo ye aduane a na wo mo atentam tomatoes apro meko apro jena apro garlic apro no de aye aduane say ehye abontine aduane edi yenye ne bisa dabi haji esuro nyame etinye nwanwa se Ghana ha etitire se ministries agencies akese eyie ahemfo na nanom ahema mo wo mo tenase no wo mo si ye bedidi ye didi eziban ye didi a wo mo se momfra haji special local foods efise hono ena aduane no ekoyie Ghana ha ba bia wo mutimi serve haji special local food pese wo fra eye 024 63 59921 024 63 59921 and answer 059 479 7215 eye 059 479 7215 for na would them
eh medo edrano pa wutimi to wo boase etwitwiwusi o ado na so ni se me de yas toothpaste and the brush and the twitwi mesima minya homka senti na ye bokoyi na me die me all time favorite yas herbal toothpaste and the brush aboa me ama sesei menum nso a enwunu anasa de ehia me semfimfem me biem
na won hwasa mesi aye fita sesrecha homa na et brightens yas whitening toothpaste and the brush and me di hwimese
enti na wo se afei na yas total care gel toothpaste and the brush ne die ebo wo se ho ban demu ne nyina ema wonum ye sham.
Oh yes, and Crotrodo, Yas Herba, Yas Whitening, and the Yas Total Care Gel Toothpaste, and then the brush, a Buzian Chamfa.
So, what Peduo 2 a 1 crying ha for Leicester Ghana Limited and was 050 161 9588. Leicester Ghana Limited and the Yas toothpaste mo ahodo and the brush abadwaso abeboy
tontonte yenum sane e fadwen
ne fadwen mpa say na nim say brebi beba ama tonti na 74 opa ye ne simple T74 abeye aduro
tonti na 74 ana T74 asa twe yadwene asina nanom dodo so say de na dodo bua ma nanom enyare basabasa no saa na tonti na 74 ana T74 ebo anipadua no
e ma immune support enti obi onum bie no abrebia ne ho den
tonti na 74 yinso yaye no sensuo kokrowa kama enti ba bia wonam bia obetimi de wade akọ
samene wa ankafi na ekroyi eda no nko na wie ye wa bra mennom T74
samennom tonti na 74 menya hodin mennom ne da bia
T74 yi eye hahama ene ye de aye na DHC ena aframa na ye kama sa no T74 ahoden ni apomuden ko a
wokọ pharmacy ana ba bia to nro bia ubenya tonti na 74 yi bia to
T74 yi enye ma oba wa fafuro ana obi a o manufo ana se obi a onya mfie dumienu
eto phone 050 162 8931 and 0246 073 498 FDA agi adwadie nkrato yi atom.
In the stillness of the morning, before the noise of the day begins, there is a sound rising, a sound of prayer, a sound of power, and a sound of victory.
Yamawakwaba was Sompa First Service. I was Sompa TV, ne Sompa Radio.
Your early morning altar of encounter. Join Bishop Abesa Kikwambo
Oyunyakupon di fa wastra no eweye brim. Enam ne nsa so ama Onyakupon we ya honwade pi.
Through this prophetic platform, destinies are aligned, burdens are lifted, and lives are transformed.
We need to teach us some perfect service. Our home enye TV program keke. Eye bra osro ne asasi hia. Eye bro Nyankopon kasa chenema.
Set your alarm, tell a friend, gather your family, and let the Spirit of God reposition your life.
And some perfect service entwa wo hu hoda. Eye dwada kusi efiada anopa. Anopa no num kusi anopa no nsia. Fa woda no nyina share radensa. Na erade beye.
Seminya meno otisa on Sakrada, Prophet Tara. Enye easy, nyame otisa mpo. Enti Abena for Abedu, my sage. In fact, we are sages. Temutu no. Enti, that's how I call you. Uncle Fred.
Yeah, Abena Ruthy.
Impacho akwaba.
Ruthy the king one for na wo mi ho.
Wa ni o.
E fi de hu Ruthy obata Sompa live. Hey, Ruthy free. Ruthy give free.
Who's that? Remember also bought some party lights now, baby.
Sompa light.
Who the new base kakra o. Hey, Uncle Fred, they not the frequency nearby. Remember go here rehearsals.
Sompa.
Hey, I feel our muscle. We part of Mama Kwaba. I trust the weekend Nico ye.
You can need it so we can. You could but when they will be upon some more through me or social media.
I think I saw
sometimes some jokes we are expensive, but we I take jokes as a hand. I think Freddie one day then be able to some question about the history. Can I just trying to be sarcastic? But who say you hano? Who are no minimum that so people do attempt, you know. So be show Kakrabia then.
No, I
take advantage. Take advantage.
But take I no cry a good comment. What you do?
Oh, we no
cry. Sharp brains.
But you see, Sana, you any mama Tiana how. But say castle radio so I'm going to oh, wifey. Are you ready? I am bro. I will be over here, my more facility. Oh, didn't want for what? And I was the last we okoye na pobisa and Osadia ko. Tourism minister.
Show ne so no. Ne na oye ne program no ye ne no do wasem see ho.
Dabi.
Okay.
Recap because recap so. And then you bring some questions. You know, we go for cry.
Okay.
But on no bar, social media it's only be sarcastic.
Yeah.
And I'll say a host will be himself. So what do you think of the artist of the year? No, I can't Freddie in 1967, we see be seven. Freddie, what day? You say, yeah. Or the year,
two, I tell
for the Twitter. Oh, Obamu dear, or Pecata cry, tell us how what you do, young boys.
But we enjoy the history you share.
And what can you far? You know, by a blade you for Gomashi. But when I said I saw Trabandus Kakrafi, not the tribalism meaning, also a minister of two away reason, you know, tourism.
Okay.
So some jokes are very expensive.
Some jokes are expensive.
Very expensive. Now I'm getting you.
Now, one penny is open to a bit me a killing a career.
I want
because Obinya Bufu na say or can be too baby I will be to me and break be why
because so he made a very dirty joke about Nana Kufuado.
Sometime
very dirty, but you take it as a joke. Yeah, you know, I don't have any problem.
Yeah.
Look at me catching so it was only a joke. But I
think I saw your comment saying that it was a joke. I was even tracking to see what he had said.
Wait a minute, my tears here. We want tears here, sir. Because what when you're for
some jokes are expensive anyway. There are Reverend. Patron Pombo
me brother Kasa, but young guys now say you share your Kasa we Kasa would be agro. So sometimes other people
na achio bia dwen akoso yeah
Uncle Freddie the dates so o the year ade then na wo
said no cry ma wo hie hu no
value cry to exactly whatever you are talking about me if you am de be ma obi an say wo kasa ahwe wo kasa mu yie because that crow sa kasa na wo kasa no ebe yiwa ma
it's true It's true.
Ebe you want man to work to assemble. Then kono mpo de nka minim say obekọ that stage. E bia no na me brother with that relationship.
Say ain't no fan it no. Yeah.
Others fan it because commentary baby.
Yeah. No be aka bibi na trio bi ade na akosi bibi so.
No obi so be kra onni man ka friend that kra be ba be di atem. Akana basa. Intina bi yan hwe ye kasa yi.
Unya opportunity to say something again. Jane Shekan and Uncle Fred can know. Jane Shekan
online no. And all the time they know say bad news. Say things that are not good sales, and that is where the premises are. They are normal person to, but true.
Anyway, now weekend Nicole saying,
oh, you're fine.
Mother's Day, no. I suffer for the age. Mother's Day, nothing on my
Mother's Day. Belated though.
I Amen. Now, in fact, my member was sorry, we be special, mamma, for
na gifts.
Oh, wow, I see. Reverend, I had your way. I tell for me question and you're legit, Hannah. Legit. Me to have one catch up some chairman now give.
Legit.
And I ain't been to one man and now we share. But happy Mother's Day. Don't be later that. In Casambre. Anyway, young come I TGMA. Ebaso. I go friend, we are disappointed. We'll get on Nana.
Oh, not so disappointed, but I wish. But then quite today in history, Bob Marley and then 45 years.
It's true, Bob Marley.
And then Sunny 31 years, Pepper Kumi Preco, Brumus, be a Koya, in Ipe.
Wow.
15, and then 31 years, Pepper. It looks like only yesterday. Or see, if life is even long, it is still short. And I knew it was so.
Now, when no be cast a history, no man, then what if I come Bob Marley? I said, what kind of semi roommates and then the birthday?
Oh, wow.
Because I know Bob Marley, Nana, I know they to whom they be your cows in the bed on Bob Marley, ain't Mr. Mammy Famushlau, near Twasso, ain't Mrs. Veronica Adupo or Attorney General's Department.
Okay.
Aye. The birthday and ne Vero me roommate first degree F95 Sabah Hall. Hona na ye shey Vero. Happy birthday to you, my uncle friend. Na kai me say me ka we dey. To me wishing happy birthday.
So TJ be sort of kind no about so. Na proud to the TJ be na one say home conversation no. Me bo rare friend no Adom Kiki Abaso. For this year in terms of kasa home I buy no. Ono na peja e buy through the song wa jatabu wa no ma conversation ba ono na for second conversation na e venue on be tom ka san comment La Palm convention na say the plan no sikoro honom ko last minute ka be 3 days or 4 days and san abane prince om ko use in fact me bo abano abaso say o prince say you ko use venue because La Palm on the coin can home chire pa.
And then call should be a better
crown no ha crown.
Even red carpets place kwa kamunya.
But on the from say Liberation Circle Red Hospital where the back you a very dark place to the cemetery. The baba ya award pa if Ghana maybe ha I me hwe ne ye kakra o. Ye ba ya wodi what will take the
parliament
yes see for it's Sompa baby on park a car be buy crack come here to me bring about them go to program say can ya dada ka be in on the security was good all right over the year be so go check the ticket the way we na fine oh state your house we are not inside
but I am make us come park was state house
and this year no we ma in fine red carpet no
okay
I just say what we shall any VIP no we shall nkoso bia yeah carry them will be at me room but it was say o man edium gina you some compare for the program no I mom kasa na short kakra because
red carpet
red carpet no tell my no the proximity of the red carpet to the auditorium no that sound we all crying a boom to a question because sometimes I won't take you might answer the wrong and the Igbo I said short what are you come on just go hold on honey shit you see so Johanna the sea the distance between maybe on the scene is approximately about 500 to 600 meters.
Oh, okay.
And a red carpet, so on the yard block. It in from everybody in a block. And I'm for backups. Drip work. I say, sorry, Rush, agriculture. Sorry, what to be there, Pastor? Let me see, yeah. And then the agric number. Agri subject number you say.
I want for make up here.
I sorry, Rishi. And I was saying, Ghana for ya short printers. Is someone print say? Carpenters ya short we get my say we print my. That was on the lighter suit. Inside. The right inside and the ambience was very good. Stage design, excellent stage design, wide.
Yeah.
Extensive, no how pyroelectric. A the air condition actually papa be by the man there was a fire the air condition actually papa be by the man there was a fire because the air condition are not ding to most of the ladies we be no man sorry the court na I'm being
uncle for complaining say a hoye share baby uncle for baby one no say mo home banning na my coldness ne into now the mama chili pa
that chili that was a close exactly 10:02.
Okay.
And red carpet a close here and they started at 10:22.
Oh, okay.
So they compare Giovanni and then that course they did their best. The man for Accra Baba interviews in the day. For you who had ya or
on the side,
that's on the side, also be cast and performances and did so well with your performance.
Oh yeah.
Yes, but you see, there's a certain trend to be I want to know AI too predictable.
Okay.
AI too predictable.
You are so right because a bit of predicting. Some your friend is saying awards categories etomu pepe and nana akoye so to say wunya we ya now name so okay we no wunya enti the we na say wenya na no ano no
yes yes
wo ha na wo ha wunya we pe onim say we no you know say a bit of final one no I mean medical the no was before the final one onyanya na msi no artist of the year na
the same thing yes. So
gospel there so traditional they mean ja na
and I'm be perform ya pe for they announce about the female vocal performance some mean they start here for now no dey to so then on one win performance so performance Kofi Kinata performance win medical performance win when the show performance win win it's so predictable. Also, my trouble no so that so and it's been happening.
So that does that mean say so you say when say academy no omo no me fan say board be vote omo de enti no omo no nim ne omo vote omo de da enti na omo select omo to perform na because the beka ho ne ebi omo yen fan so omo nim
and they notice the hands of the but with my conjecture now we no bit me ayi e dey obam sisi a na me kan Jamaica for answer na ebi amatra so and performance were very good, choreography, stage design, props. Sound was a bit terrible kakra from me complaining in the auditorium.
Okay.
When you say me and mommy very professional, it do be another sound beside by social media because the sound is getting better. If you ramp on it's a say cry. And then that's where I left. The sort of canon dominations in the bar. Who the highest nomination, second highest, third highest, Omwa Bako in the win. So Sako there didn't win any award at the place. Some bombs about Kubi and Kempaluta went to be honey. But when they say Tama, when they say lost out to collaboration, any one of them says song, only artist, the song, Afrobeat song, and I'm saying, Bayan, I'm from no, because that's be 3 tina o hwemu so a ti Black Sheriff onya album no na say kai e de to so nyina ono ana obinya mpa onya so na de Black Sheriff baby obi an congratulations to you oni Kojo Black so no So you have 7 nominations. Adia, my main come means I say a joiner, you know. Sometimes we which are that if it be true lies. Name is Adum Kiki or Chance Power, but no need song. Our inimu. It was only artists. And I could go black and our song.
Oh no, sign what?
I said, you know, you have almost about 5 or 6 nominations as a new artist for you to transcend and get a, you know.
Yeah.
It is so we were counting on Adum Kiki votes. Votes are for vote but at the end of the day, when Kojo Black won the Inam, Adum Kiki, tonight is not your night. But he's a gentleman. He has been well composed. Uncle Fred, say you could I supposed to be, I take it in good faith. But I can't so. So I also did. But you on your 3 nominations, but we know we need to Kofi also prepare and then guy no we need best vocal. And to make major house and I see my very much come here boy and dan grounds we need a Bejama a Reverend Karam Masabum.
Masabum, you are Freddie.
Maybe kind of a nominees in Basso and a winners, no, you know, see a baboon in Basso say at least almost me be coffee. Why went to me and Fabi Bianco Fiano so crown, so why are they? Because the fact say you're nominated will not cry achievements. Mecca is summa ne walk outside no wasn't. Minji Nisa was say awards in Intina was a light baho. Sunny a hot here no. I was seeing who says sometimes.
Oh, it's a security zone.
Yeah, a security zone. Intino Yabe pa Abancho said that area there a security zone. I was saying Debia no na light or what light or what airbo woman in now buying a wound here pa into that is the first aspect I'm making. I say Yabebo Black Sheriff Abaso say wait to me after the artist of the year and I mean who be biswa or yeah or can say Guinness Sikana Edemano.
Sikana Edemana.
Young farmer Gonna boy. And Arita J.
Arita J.
These 2 gentlemen, no, I think say they are doing well in the music industry. Now, near Black Sheriff, no, make say other artists so share. Now, to me, more young artists are more bad system. No, say ya Ghanaian music, you know, in fade. Sometimes say yes too selfish and per se be so bad. We want to all the time dominate, but I feel say yes it's not really good. Osha Sankro from New York come once a year. I have tried to listen to them and both of them sound like him in a way.
Okay. I see.
So
they are all my mentees.
Exactly.
Okay.
One of them is from the Upper West. And I want to go as a student.
Ghana
boy.
And no free.
He's doing very, very well. They are doing extremely well. Into Yabebo Black Sheriff Basso. To all the winners, no. Yabeka said, like my brother was saying, you know, it was too predictable. Now, the problem they say. Program no share and son at time also and I say I don't know as a academy member no almost share program now and son time for the awards and so because means award need yanka ya tally na present an pen and nim say we never be win ye bie so wo
usually sana was say
ye so wo but acquire to say ya ye be bie so no kra na ye bie so dada by share na ye like Kofi Kinata perform we win it. We perform it, we win it. I mean,
so that's why I made the point
it's
I made.
Too predictable.
So have you organized a birthday party crab or back 1 year older? We will be your house
exactly.
Oh, we be so no more. When you have it's organizing such kind of a emotionally attached na Shatawale is so we need award of brand new. On the medical, that's right. It is also I'm a crowd and also a boom. Oh, that's right. Showdown. Shoulder. Yeah. So it's a very nice song, in fact. Well produced in you know. But the happiest guy on the night was Black Sheriff. When you had the power playing the piano, singing, and then for artistry.
I'm even coming to the performances. Person touchy on them, but person ye come na ye share.
Okay.
Omo performing on the 9th. I mean, Samini. was there. Sadness song, they say a world song. Like when I hear it, I know say yeah, we're for world stage. You understand? I don't know when I compose.
Yes. So the performance started from Yama. Enam. I started from Enam. Oh, I had yeah. Her style in terms of her looks. The thing why yeah, culture the buyer, I saw the bermu. The real yeah. Oh, it was so beautifully rendered. Including a yan and the voices so they had the party. Really, yeah, oh, tell she deserves more cry, more. Or deserve the performance. Fact, yeah, Angelique Kijo, you know.
Yeah.
Seriously, or international lady. Then comes my lady PSC. PSC. Then my, what are they in for Papa? PSC Atadiano. So nice, and then she delivered. PSC about a tear, Jumanasi. And I must commend the band, you know, the leader, any omomu choreograph Reggie.
Yeah.
Then you know, oh, perfectly done. Stems somewhere and very, very, very well crafted. Or the fear, was only human now, body now, and you. Then comes our mistress. Hello. It's indespicable.
Madam Professor.
That's right. My Diana. That's right. My lady Diana.
I know.
The Hamilton from Hilton Hotel. You know. That's it. Diana, she delivered lovely.
Oh, yeah.
And then she deserved to win the artist of the year category, you know. Yeah, that's right. Kofi also be proud by, but performance is not okay, you know. And then came Kofi Kinata. Kofi are there, but na looky. Are you baby on Kofa? I say yes to be I know now no. Have you now say yes to do umbrella this? Is that a go for? Yay!
Props, no?
Props to the so the props were nice. Oh, wow. The props really don't mean you are there. Samini Zubabe deliver, come on. My lowest point was on the dedication to Deli Lumba, poorly executed. Deli Lumba, you know me, man, I didn't like it.
Oh,
it could have been better for an icon like that, you know. Though, if I'm on by Raskuku by, and I'm so charming coming so. But you know, they did well on that one. But Sekesi celebrated Deli Lumba pa. I quite feel that night, you know. I in rush 10 you see, yeah. Oh, that's it. If you have a night, you know, because so much me transfer from 8 to 4 a.m. Hey, mommy, tell it 4 a.m. I feel do a bit of to say, be dapa. Oh, damn it, daddy. Yeah, now say, yeah, your friend say, new, you know, I ain't I'm so they may call it big. When until when the other chairman say. Black Sheriff now. So the performance of Black Sheriff, Matadi come on. That guy your book keyboard so didn't be Jan more Chinomoba. The one thing is say, Naima, you was who said the Grand Arena Hono.
Yeah.
And yet the theater setting type.
Yeah.
It goes like the amphitheater crossover for
yeah.
That Ubia could trade this Cababa, I'm a first rebel now. I should get you. I was killing a fee. I block up a trace caddy in a fee. Ya block was I won't send you money.
Yeah.
On the whole, no, I think say the production was good, especially visuals in India. They had it correct. The sound and an amount for complaining both inside and outside.
Okay.
But,
okay.
Yeah, a very simple technique here.
That's right.
So, yes, sound what. Now we sound on the Abontini idea. And so we are on one cast a separate mixer.
Okay.
They are a man crowd with me a year for maybe your friend auxiliary.
Okay.
You have female feeding him.
Yeah.
And I say matrix 1 hour 5 years free. So that I can capture all the other ambient. No, what treating we use so that the delay in the man can be. I think they know it, but maybe for one time, you know, because it's becoming quite often. You know, the fee amount for a whole DSTV, so they call over there compare AM 1 VC.
And
yeah, baller, and they say, oh, Taliban production, costing the same. But sometimes, oh, my, every year, I don't say, they say, I dare what Tim Bimuda, what your jam for. Oh, come on, someone, Janami, very careful. It be the 2 minutes, don't baby, I am in a mammy. The engine on the quiet, be fetchery. Between I was so a nika crabby. But me found other idea nyam fa meto. Abontin sa because I've been on it criticize the name ya. Yeah, you know. Who say Ghana ha no we are doing a critique one ye. And you know. Oh my idea. Sound sometimes maybe an technical be quite it quite hit in it man basa.
Say any performance say name say omo link video be to the stage performance no mo boy no say omo boka kra na so I saw say also sometimes so be video na say obi so nipa nankasa ba on stage into now I say continuation be sa no omo try
you fe o work say we are fe dey awards recipients no
most of the times there should be someone in charge, and I mean I know there was someone in charge for queuing. So when to me and yen and tell me when queue here a challenges until maybe in future we have to look at it very well in terms of the partner or direct issue. Say when young for one or that particular type of show now say you have that type of hitches online and inside. And I mean brother can address and who has some MCCC a gospel artist no more dressy ye momo abaswe. First and number flowers flowers say china mucha video near the CC asesa Emma trend no so
yeah ball life for my use.
We are slaying for crack. We are slaying for crack.
See, and I'm say a kuyi and kakakati gospel artist na Yabomunina so abaso say Mashay na enyum na bompires and next year TGM may be better than this year. Young
recipients this way.
Yeah, recipients. In fact, the guy Panamani. A German pie could super.
Okay.
For the Abena, you know, he's worked very hard. Why I did. Na he shared papa in Munyam. Last year, I could see the papa.
That's right.
And papa didn't want to me. I just say, and a year and the review, no, where you're demanding power. Nah, I can't say on 5 hours to be man. They were all on point. You know, about Shamima. About hobby now, hobby fine for the government. I don't say, do say you want Sarah. I know you Hana. I know you Hana. I knew the way the bear politics because that week, when it miracles about that trendy, oh, Metro TV, there you come, Sana. Miani attacking Manus and a hammy. As well, can I get Bonnie Biao? That'll be down to a church, but I feel late of the night. Also, look at the, you know, the exigence of time in near me or say about what transfer bread. You want to be the government of the Ghana get it from 1 year. But time no amount for to edit to one. Time no amount for to the kind in 1994 more artists needing 1994. Kunkoma will be by.
Okay.
You have a bit more good back, reading conversation with the now. You can't change back across over to a lady. For better to be no mere bonfire too, yes.
It's a war, no bomb.
Yeah, and that was it. The purpose was people to sing, and then singing on to say laughs in round term. We're giving some specific time. If you're not done the prayer session, the purpose of idea the bar or not, it's a question behind it, dear. She did well because me crying and I was spoused by government's achievement name, but as I feel no Casabi, one from say, I am saying apart from that, no mina or Bradford or Zuma Nelson legends.
If you're done Dr. Likey,
and this is how you're done Dr. Likey. If you're already, I don't know how to say, no, she's an actress. And you know, so to see her on Sana, or no, I mean a bit now. No, I mean, it's all pay. Do you know me? May no, you see, in my this is on radio, in my almost 40 years on radio. It's starting radio, it is. This is on radio. In my almost 40 years on radio. It's starting radio, it is 7. I'm a such as I don't like talking about personalities in terms of how they dress, and nominate at the admin, a workers out away, you know. I feel that Debbie will be a manager home, whatever she's doing. So far as that, it doesn't breach the laws of Ghana.
That's right.
No, yeah. So we are Lord, the Abecho said, I got that, no, and no, we originate shoes, say, the only Nama, and no matter they'll say. So, Konawanya de Pa, or Mechono, she admitted, or the fear don't need the Talaki, it was nice, and then they will be any kind. Apart from that, you know, I think and also now Obrafoni Yazuma and was two legends from Ralph from the boxing. I want to be sharing, and I mean Zabale. So I saw Zabe, Zapito, wherever you are, my brother, you to be celebrated because I mean, and you may be a ball hole near some of them came from his stuff near and I mean, who say, why you feel Kakra? Zap, if you are in, we are going.
I know, right?
Now, when I'm talking about lifetime achievement, I said prior to the day, now in Kofo pitch Kakra, I don't know if you noticed. Now Kofo pitch it, almost pitch it for that because Obi will not the achievements have to social media. My way. I don't know if you saw that. It's a lifetime achievements in the almost choosy. To honor who they want to honor based on what the person has done. And I saw a lot of people started posting Nyoma year over the years.
But let's say posthumous. Posthumous. Yeah, kind of posthumous. Posthumous. It's posthumous. Posthumous. That's one part English madam. Posthumous. I was let's say that I'm your mother Lumba. Then they celebrate a legend who's alive. That's how I'm saying.
Exactly.
But Obio will feel now celebrating. But what kind of something say everybody wasn't around, but we need our.
Something now we're winning. Award are winning.
Winning. Okay.
Award.
Life celebration. Pam. So I can say.
I agree with you. What's that come here, sir? Yeah. Whichever award on some of them.
You can make a suggestion. I don't know whether say say any panel they are going. Now you know only once a year.
Yeah.
It's come to the artist, the producer. Any day, every year, be on before or sound in someone.
Yeah.
Because who's I watching when no matter to say the year at the review. And then will be a no. It's me, I'm about 41 years. If you make Kenya, Mamma Bacocras and San
it's true.
But who should the works about year within the 41 years and I mean, quite a mean pet. JQ near appear to some pet. And you are now your ball in terms of a fan or money produce. So, but I don't wait. Say you want me to get around 70 years as an artist. I
think that's why they are doing the Hall of Fame thing too.
So,
aside music awards now. Also, Museum Hall of Fame.
On the night, you make some certain recognitions. And then I give Bonnie and Abaso. This producer, Mr. Quatis, what you be done to say, and the same papa we also drew in the by 3 every year, so that at the end of the year you can see anywhere because near year the year 2025 in the music industry. And if you go into the records, maybe we are stress. So for trust me.
I'm saying, my brother Akasabi Bray. Now when it comes to lifetime awards now, it's a lifetime. But my brother Cheche Muntimen Pese Meko. My only problem categorizations.
Okay.
Once previously now focus say gospel side no in the degrees. But you see one thing that I realized they say you can't hip hop. You bet me hip hop
gospel.
You can't high life. You bet me high life gospel. But I don't know say academy they almost consider that particular side. Your high lives are gospel. You bet me and are competing with secular gospel secular songs. You know. You see, I think say they should look at the various genres. Normal use sir. Then we can get a lot of gospel artists coming into
other categories.
Let's say Black Sheriff style. Type
now they are to gospel.
Also that type. But when it gets to the selection now, they look at particularly
secular for more for those categories.
Because so almost those ones and when can gospel for baby need because when we talk of like if you have vocal there involves vocal no. Gospel for baby need but here no almost being who say okay 70 gospel ni or to you at the back how is it going to pan out?
How am I going to market the person after winning the award?
So they consider the lyrics. So you can have a hip hop beat, but the lyrics in the gospel, no, the gospel what is it talks about Christ. Is that also?
Yeah.
It is what about you know? Or no, I definition of the awards in which say contemporary gospel, I say the hip hop artist, no, should come from a genre and yet a gospel. It's a problem. For the yeah, it's idea and you'll be a quack or you'll be due.
No, that be
it is so. It is
Ciano. You went to me, I can say, yeah, pay high life for gospel.
So high life, you know, would you define the rhythm and I say
we are looking at rhythm.
And don't want
high life is not about the words, it's about the rhythm.
No, I get the point.
The rhythm. Hip hop, a rhythm, and the style of singing.
So you see,
it's you know there are a lot of
Reverend, you have a point,
artists.
You have a point.
Yeah, the same type of music and I think say they should also be allowed.
Only point and I'm person they told.
And they say we want you tico driver. And that's a driver. Oh, yeah, driver.
Oh, you know, I'm
too much.
So now point and I'm person making it say organizers no. Ain't in the say near penny a walking. Me fan say gospel and we need sa Afrobeat and now say hip hop and now whatever now. If they have something for them to do as a secular event, then how would they use them? So that's where I was going.
The artist is not, the awards is not the aim of the awards. I don't think is for secular events.
Oh, but no, what I'm saying is, assuming
me took gospel.
Good.
Gospel.
And I call it hip hop. No could discuss it wasn't baby kiss. That's how I want hip hop. Hip hop
a demanding
hip hop artist of the year. Hip hop.
No, you have a point, you have a point, but we want
Obi ade live because inside there. Obi already there could be.
It's not make marketability no because me a business person. Na say me ya awards. Na me nim say me button ya me dey awards ni me percent sa category me di nipa ni ye bibia me ma me fa wa
for example collaboration ebetumi aye from gospel side.
Oh yes.
Or gospel.
Yeah.
Oh yes.
Yeah,
collaboration. I'm talking about.
Oh yes.
Once I take care of this side and this side.
It's a normally ebi wo ha ebi ko ho.
Ebi ko ho.
Ebi ko ho.
Kase ni na wo say ebi tumi ko ha ko ha. Because
ebi si na che. I do gospel for your awards so.
Sentina. Sentina wo hwemu a.
Because omo ye afro pop. Omo ye gospel.
Oh, I agree.
And until omo ye combine ni nyina as Captain Planet. Riba urban gospel.
Urban
the hip hop Afrobeat one nyina and ya kan nyina bom say
almost contemporary
song. That's all. Ya bam pom nyina mo.
Anyway, and come on here so Abena Ruthy Uncle Fred ne Reverend mo last words na sorry so now.
Last words there. Once a while we are not akọ hospital bi. No akọ hwe say the nipa yare something. Uba obedo nipa. Visit Kolebu 37. I don't know if you Kolebu nearby. Oh. Beloved, let us laugh. What it?
No.
Me nimu ha na ifu be mienu. Me no omo na ekwe. You didn't twinkle of an eye. They gone. Me show love. Na music industry no so yan hwe na enye. Besa ba bia obi a me bo abaso. You were there with your PJ no. I saw PJ. Me run and nam any all the music. Chatterhouse. Big ups to you.
Yeah.
And obi a wini bia. Life goes on. Abandon so more than on paper, me and fan issues now. We should say the dome baby no. Greetings to everybody. Cheers to my mother and then all mothers. Wife, you know, we are we are celebrating. We are here. God bless you so much.
Yes, sorry, so I
missed. Madam for Ernestine Cancer.
Okay.
And young gentleman be a area or home car, mammy, who are dear pa.
I see.
Who are dear pa.
What can you so dear?
Your friend is free.
Okay.
Or more side that link.
Why more now? Okay.
Or cabin.
And maybe as provisions of people. Why?
Okay.
What Fen you are.
Okay. When we send them on Wednesday, your bunko for Abaso. Okay. Into May, no. Every time na into Mumpamucho, send them on Wednesday. Me Abaso at Bomudi and everything. Into me that must pa. Na me on Shamu baby. It's for aha NIAD AC. Somebody said, "Dear me, just one Abena Ruthy." Jumedian there some delight. Madam producer say, "How do you for Jeremiah?" Now me on show. I not me that Lady Joanne and now no a DJ. Hey, Rich Mr. Mice training. Hey, Lady Joanne, thank you. Rich Mr. Mice, thank you so much. Not Saint Augustine, me da se papa pass the to internet so. Not Auntie Adra, my svelte lady. Kongonzaima. Me da se. Ebusia for me sorry so anisa. Na me koi se wa winim. Sompa for God and country. Basel. I Professor Abuchi wa ye krado. Mpacho menko baby a cheno. Open what to me,